my favorite Finkel.
You said that for...
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I messing this up in front of the Romanian producers? Gymnasts and vampire figures. Why don't we just quit while we're ahead?
Well, it looks like somebody fried their old brain watching too much of the old food tube.
It's not all she fried. Get a load of that crazy do. Who does your hair and makeup, Moxie? A nearsighted orangutan?
This is the perfect comedy for a train. The people will love it.
What? No. I've got to get out of here before they put me on a train. What are you doing?
I'm proving to the Finkles that I am not a boring square. I am exciting. I'm gonna use the ham it up spell. Tell some jokes while old and clangy and make me act all bold and hammy. Hello there, Finkles. Mind if I trip a little scenery? Would you guys get a load of these two? I mean, seriously, their act stinks so bad that onions cry when they watch it. Am I right, Romanians?
Oh, Justin, what is this? Boy, was I wrong about you.
Yeah, quit stealing our thunder. You're gonna ruin our audition.
Really? Then let's ruin it some more. A one, two, three. Hey, everybody. I haven't seen an act this bad since my brother starred in Beetle Romania.
Moxie, not you too.
All right, time to create chaos.
I'll throw the first tomato. Wait, listen. You smell that? You smell ham.
Smell good? Hindquarter? Probably on sale. This way.
Hey, brother of mine.
What's up, Sissy Pooh?
I'll tell you what's down. Stocks on these two knuckleheads right here. Sell, sell, sell.
Say, Doc, what's wrong with me?
You got 2 weeks to live.
Oh, no! I want a second opinion.
All right, you're ugly too.
Stop this perfect terrain comedy. We've made a decision. You've won a job with the Black Sea Railway.
This is some kind of rigmarole.
Yeah, these two